Hello, this is Nate from Conductive Containers, and today we're going to do a quick demonstration on how to assemble one of our turkey lock totes. Now, while there may be many different methods to assembling a turkey lock tote, this is one at Conductive Containers that we like most. You're going to begin by raising the tote and folding in the bottom flap. The other flap will have two tabs that are located here and here, which will be indicated by the handholds that they possess. With the first flap already in front, you're going to fold the two tabs in and fold it all into the bottom. This is going to look something like this inside. So you have the first flap that you folded in, along with your two tabs. And all you need to do is reach inside and bring those two tabs up to the side. You're going to push down that other flap to create the bottom. Now, it's just a matter of folding in the tabs. And our last one here. And just like that, you have a turkey lock tote ready to go. Thanks for watching.